Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you is it possible to view private Instagram account without following. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram, and here you can see this is a private account, but I am unable to see this account picture. So is there any method possible? So this is not possible to view private Instagram account without following. So the only method is you simply need to create a dummy account or any other account that is not belong to you. So you can change your account name and create another account. And after that, you need to try to follow that person again. Maybe he accept your follow request because he did not know you. And after that, you are able to see his account. So this is the only method possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.